Is the Crucial P310 a budget king or a QLC trap? With speeds hitting 7,100 megabytes per second for just $115, it's an enticing offer. In this video, we'll dive deep into whether this drive lives up to the hype or if there's more beneath the surface. On paper, the P310 offers flagship-level PCIe General 4 speeds at a mid-range price point, supported by a 5-year warranty. But as with any budget-friendly hardware, we have to ask, what corners were cut to achieve this? A look under the hood reveals why. The P310 uses a Phison E27T controller and 232-layer QLC NAND. Notably, it lacks a dedicated DRAM chip, instead relying on host memory buffer technology to borrow system RAM, which can limit performance during heavy workloads. The P310 comes in both 2230 and 2280 form factors. The compact 2230 is perfect for handhelds like the Steam Deck, while the 2280 serves desktops and laptops. Its single-sided layout ensures compatibility with even the thinnest devices. For everyday tasks, the P310 is highly responsive. Windows boot times are near instant, and game load times rival drives that cost significantly more. For 90% of daily use, this drive masks its underlying architecture quite well. However, the QLC trap becomes apparent during massive file transfers. Once the pseudo SLC cache is exhausted, write speeds plummet by about 80%. This is the critical trade-off when choosing budget QLC-based storage. Thermal management is another factor. The P310 lacks an integrated heatsink and can reach temperatures of 82 degrees Celsius, potentially triggering thermal throttling. If you're installing this in a desktop, a dedicated motherboard heatsink is highly recommended. Endurance is the final major compromise. With a 220 TBW rating for the 1 terabyte model, it's sufficient for casual gaming, but heavy video editing or frequent database operations will wear the drive out significantly faster than premium TLC competitors. Community feedback has also raised some concerns. Reports suggest potential issues with the bundled cloning software, occasional OS boot instability, and questions regarding long-term support as manufacturers shift focus. This highlights the difference between synthetic benchmarks and real-world utility. While apps like Crystal Diskmark show the drive hitting peak speeds, real-world file transfers tell a more honest story once the cache runs out. Comparing the Crucial P310 to other General 4 drives makes the trade-offs clear. While it holds its own in peak speed, the QLC NAND and lack of dedicated DRAM place it firmly in the value category, rather than the performance enthusiast segment. So is it for you? If you're expanding a game library or upgrading a standard laptop, the P310 is a great choice. But if you need a primary OS drive for heavy professional workloads, we recommend looking elsewhere. Handheld users have a special case. The 2 terabytes 2230 variant of the P310 is arguably one of the best upgrades you can get for a portable console, balancing capacity and performance perfectly for that specific environment. To summarize, the P310 earns an 8.5 out of 10 for secondary game storage due to its value and efficiency. However, as a primary OS drive, it sits closer to a 6 out of 10, given its endurance and sustained speed limitations. Ultimately, the Crucial P310 is a fantastic budget game drive. Just be mindful of its limitations. Use it for your library, and it's a king. Use it for intense, sustained professional work, and you might find yourself in that QLC trap.